Hi, I'm Daniel. Let's talk accounting. Today we'll continue the JobKeeper process and recording payments in Xero. In the first part, I'll look at the final steps that could explain why you haven't received JobKeeper payments yet, plus monthly reporting. And in the second part, I'll show you how to record these payments and cashflow boost in Xero once you have received them. As always, please check the description box for links. Please like this video if it helps you and subscribe and hit the bell for updates and future videos. Haven't received JobKeeper payments yet? There might be yet another step to complete. The ATO call this Step 2. To complete this step, we must log into the business or agent portal. Click on the View button on the COVID-19 banner. If you've already enrolled, Step 1 will show as a tick. And Step 2, identify and maintain employees eligible for JobKeeper wage subsidies. And Step 3 is part of this, which is completing the monthly declaration for the JobKeeper payments. Note that Step 3 will be a monthly requirement, so remember to come back and do this again next month, by the 7th of each month. Click Identify. Be sure you have prepared correctly and have identified the eligible employees and passed the eligibility criteria for the employer. Select the month you are applying for the JobKeeper wage subsidy. If you are joining from the beginning of the JobKeeper program, select April. Otherwise, you may need to select May or June, etc. if you are joining later. If you wish to identify a business participant, such as for a sole trader, you'll need to enter tax file number and date of birth details here. Otherwise, select No and check the employee details are correct. If you have submitted these via Single Touch Payroll, they should appear here and you may be able to edit these. Otherwise, you should be able to enter the tax file number and date of birth of each employee that you are adding. Here we can check the expected amounts versus the ATO calculated amounts for the wage subsidy. Once we have confirmed the number of employees, we need to declare the monthly GST turnover. Here we should enter the actual April amount and the projected May amount. We can check the bank account details on file to receive the deposit, accept the declaration and submit. Once you have received the JobKeeper income, you'll need to record this in Xero. Let's look at how to do that. I'll also show you how to record the cashflow boost payment. Click on Reconcile. Find the deposit from the ATO. Click Add Details. Either select an account for grants or create a new account. Generally select an account such as Other Income. Choose an account code that fits in with your chart of accounts. And select BAS Excluded. Select Save and Reconcile. To reconcile the cashflow boost payment, there are some calculations involved. Find your BAS under Accounting, Activity Statement. Here I'm reconciling the March BAS along with the cashflow boost payment. Note that under normal circumstances there would be $1,587 payable. However, there has been a refund instead, as the balance of the $10,000 has been a cashflow boost payment. With these figures in mind, we can come back to the Reconcile page, click Add Details, and enter lines for each of the PAYG, GST, and cashflow boost. Finally, when we reconcile the cashflow boost, again we may want to add an account, Other Income, choose an account code that fits with your chart of accounts, and select BAS Excluded. Note that if you receive the cashflow boost as a refund, you'll need to enter payable amounts on the BAS as negative amounts while reconciling. Let me know in the comments if you have found another method. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell for updates and future videos.